All right, trading week is done. I'm recording this kind of late because I've been busy the past few days, but here we go. Let's get right into it. So first trade of the day, January 13th, Monday. I get in right here. Where was it? 58.28 for a long. Oh no, yeah, my fault, for a long. So let's continue this video. Let's see right here. So we started shooting up pretty good. I was hyped about that. And the way I look, and the way I scalp, let me pause this real quick. The way I scalp is I look at the Heikin-Ashi chart on the right side over here on the Thinkorswim tab. And I love the Heikin-Ashi chart because it gives me the indication when the trend is strong and then when the trend is weakening. So I look, and I have my finger on the trigger to sell either half or close the whole position depending on the strength of the trend. Okay, I skipped it a little bit too much, but anyway, here we go. We're up 6.5 points. We're 7 points now. Freaking amazing. Absolutely amazing. 8 points. This is a huge trade. 9 points. Huge trade. And I think on this trade, yeah, right here, I'm up a lot. I think on this trade, I closed the position when I didn't mean to. Yeah,
Order
right
filled.
there. I closed the position when I didn't mean to because I was getting a little nervous. I didn't want that trade to go anywhere near lower, or I just wanted to lock in profits. I should have kept that running. Should have just closed half. But January 13th still. This is the second trade, I think.
Order filled.
Yep. Oh, you know what happened here? I didn't mean to take a long. I meant to take a short. Yeah. So on this day right here, on the second trade of the day of the January 13th on Monday, I meant to take a long instead of a short. And so I got out instantly. I didn't know what I was doing. It just misclicked.
Order filled.
So I got out of that trade instantly. Here we go. Tuesday, January 14th, first trade of the day. Going in for a short. I think we got stopped out on this one.
Stop filled.
Yep. Stopped out on that one. So that was a losing trade right there. Okay. So that was a losing day on the Tuesday, the 14th. So here's the 15th, first trade of the day. We're taking a short. So far, it's looking pretty good. Just looking at the right side of the Heikin-Ashi. Once you see a full candle with a wick on the bottom, that means it's good. It means we're strong. Started getting a pullback here. I kept looking at the right side of my chart. Started dropping nice here. Dropped super nice here. And then I did let this trade kind of fuck me a little bit. So right around here, I think on this day, because for some reason my recording cut it short. It didn't record the whole trade. I got out right at this last Heikin-Ashi candle, and I did profit from it, but I can't tell how much. But at the end of the video, I will show you all the trades that I did take. So here's the second trade of the day on January 15th. Dropping nice right here. Dropped absolutely amazing here. Absolutely amazing. I was hyped on this day. 11. Huge day. And I did put my stop for profit just in case anything happened. Because if we're in profit with 10 plus points, I'm putting it at break even. I would never let that trade go red. I think so right around here, I sold most of my position and just let the last one ride.
Order filled.
Yeah, right here, because we were up 15 points, man. Like, why would I let that go away? Look at that, 2,700. Insane. So I would put my stop on a trail stop, just following the Heikin-Ashi. And then right around here, we did get stopped out. I should have just kept it at break
Stop
even,
filled.
but it is what it is. We profited from that heavy. Third trade of the day on the 15th. Took a short. I think I lost on this one.
Stop filled.
Did lose on this one. That's okay.
Order filled.
Got filled in right there.
Order filled.
Yep, closed that trade out early because that Heikin-Ashi candle right there was scaring me. 2K on that day. Perfect. 16th. Okay. First trade on the 16th. Got filled in. started dropping instantly, which was good. And then we started to pull back really fast. And I think we did lose on this trade, I think. Yeah, we did lose on this trade. Got stopped out here.
Stop filled.
Yep. Here I was getting ready to take a short. I think this was the third, fourth trade of the day. I lost count at this point.
Order filled.
We got filled. Started dropping really good here. I was liking what I was seeing. I think right here I let a lot of money go because the thing is with the Heikinashi is that the Heikinashi isn't always, or it's never going to be the exact price point from the actual chart, but it is what it is because it's the only indication where it tells me if the trend is weak or strong or not. So I think I left a lot of money on the table with this trade. Cause like, look at that. I just let like an 8-point trade go to like a 3-point trade. Yep. I sold half there. Yeah, we got stopped out right there, which was fine. We still profited. I did get in, which was good. I caught the momentum. So here is where my screen had to turn black because at work I had to keep moving around. So I opened back up my laptop and thank God I was still in this trade. And we almost did get stopped out. So I came back and the fact that this trade was still going, I was pretty happy about. So with this trade, I moved my stop a tick above my entry point. And then of course again my OBS cut out the whole end of the clip, but I did profit from this trade. So January 17th, got in right there. This trade instantly went red on us. Lost here.
Stop filled.
I was pretty mad about because it was more than a 2.25 stop. It was 2.50 for some reason, and I don't risk any more than a 2.25 move because that's not how much I'm willing to risk. But for some reason, I got fucked, and it put me at a 2.50 risk instead of 2.25. So I was pretty mad about that. So here, this trade was kind of stupid, a very dumb trade. I was just chasing this trade, and that's a learning lesson. Look, it happens. I got in. I was chasing the trade. So that was my week of recording my trades. So now let's jump into my trading account and show you all the numbers. All right, here's the stats. Crazy because I had a 50-50, which is kind of crazy, and we still came out profitable. So I'd say that's good. I don't really care about win rates. I just care about staying afloat in this game. So losing trades 27, profit trades 48, all trades. Gross P&L 2175, total P&L 1931. So about 2,000. And at the end of the month, I will be paying for the NinjaTrader lifetime license because it's way more cheaper fees, and I won't be getting fucked with $200 fees. Let me scroll down here. Here are all my trades. 16, 150, 200, 450. These are all my trades for you. No bullshit. And that's it. That's it for the week. I will see you guys on Tuesday because it's MLK on Monday. And let's make it a good week. Let's get it. Let's make this. Let's make January for the first year profitable of the month, and let's keep her going.